Cell and gene therapy is the next generation advanced, personalized or customized type of medicine, which is hoping to help patients that are suffering from life-threatening diseases such as cancer, autoimmune diseases, and genetic disorders. Here at Northeastern University, where it is the first and the only place that we are offering the Cell and Gene Therapy degree, we are working hard to bring years of research experience into the classroom and share it with the students who are passionate about the patient's impact. With the combined scientific and experiential learning through the co-op program, they can be able to implement what they have learned in the classroom through different types of work settings in biotech, biopharma companies, in regulatory agencies, hospitals, clinical laboratories, and some of them even go beyond that and they become a patient advocate and become a clinician in the translational medicine and regenerative medicine that they can contribute to the patient's life. We are expecting by 2034 over 1 million patients would receive the cell and gene therapy medicine. To be able to support this new and novel medicine, we need the experts and scientists to be available and educated and trained properly to be able to rescue the patients that are suffering from those kind of conditions, and they can enjoy a quality life similar to other people.